Hello, my mama wakwa basronko ebatu ma GH eso. Munya ba na ama ogusu a eni dane dano enkoma enam ye man Ghana mu no. Eno nam bitu dwa ema mo ahwefo eni ebiom so etiefo mo so motibinya bi eti ewo ho. Na asem bi wo ha like nipa dodo bebre na ekebi say 99 days for the thief, 1 day for his master. So and day sa 1 day for the master no abebi ewa brante bi abrabo emu. Na otimu say abrante enye ne eno sha se wo bokro no na so fanya sakwan so edupi nkofo from omusika wo mankasa maye omodjuma den edenya. Na ejuma wodi ene say eye Tonaton big platform e wo social media so wo pese onton bibi se wo japade bia wo pese onton se phone se atire bibi bia wo pe bia no eye platform a wo betimi aye advert e wo ho e wo so se na be ya wo bi fofo wo be bia no so pese wo to wo nyama ni bia na so ye interested in wo nyama na wo to no obetimi a contact na say ejumede no akoso wato no we chia okati enfe no Tonaton na eno ena eye abrante bi afato no ho say eye platform na wo bi adaroma we dey ato o se nkofo ntimi ndu ejumede wo ho no mo nton ma de wo ho no wono de wo befa so de dupi nkofo from omusika wo mo enu nto ejuma odi wo ho ne say eye iPhone na abeya te say different types ade bi ada update eba wo ho no eno ena te say wo de advert koto bo na phone update no say iPhone Pro 11 and I say iPhone Pro Max no no aye advert e dey akoto ofefe nti wa wo pe bi no wo hu na advert na now contact na say oh abrante wo phone ni border form me hu me pe me condo and I say the wo mu bia na wo ka say no nti wo beto no ni anya business obete so wetin no akasa ma to asuma ma wo why you convince negotiation grab pa wo no ye negotiation na ebedue na te say mu be organize inshemu aka te say wo beje usika na so odi phone na ma no wo be hu na phone odi be ma na eye fake and I say yam bimpo near their share box e dey ma so na yes scammers be na eye no enu bi na brand no eye djuma wo ye e wo Tonaton na go for do na complaining about sa act no but say ye chiwo mo say red handed won ye onu no di say djuma na ebi NC ko si say abrante we brada okopie mo la pass and djuma da wo di no ko ye contract bi wo ho they say wo di fake phones bi ekoma obi no agi ni sem sika na we de for fe anto ata okoshia ni mita ankasa na ni mita yi eyo soje ni be ma no so ankasa ashada no so say wa ye ready so beto phone nti oh yes say what the phone man no come fake one no na ho no ma wo so di mu ho e che ne trans na utumi say abrante no the way ya che ne trans utumi say wa di asotro be say 32 bi enti ne so ate no wan na wo hwese na wo cheche ne nsem say na ba ya o ye business we ni say na phone no e be di ni nsem ni say na wada ni phone ni wo the fake one ye ejuma no utumi say abrante di cheche mu nia no na adwum nia ye ne te o hu bi o waka ye ho video no ne yembra ye ba ye de eche no e beto aso.
Okay, that's where they stay.
I like around there.
So that the hood they know say this be what you they do. No. Okay. So what you come in your mind inside way like you decide say you go like you go start the fraud. Since when you start the fraud?
Like
chair. One a chair.
Like guy back now and driving in the back.
Guy back on in the buy. Guy ben
na
mo ye 3 na e wo ka no mu
ba kun do daba do no ni mu
oni mu hwe daba no ni mu hwe
ba kuna like me na tana kai no
enti mo like what come your mind inside where you say like yesterday you dey want fraud yesterday in crofine na mo fraud here me kwa okay ene in crofine na mo fraud here phone away. Take give him. Phone out can I then phone?
Yeah, papa.
And your papa. And your friend say?
iPhone is by
iPhone S by your papa. And he walk off away. Now, Obi ban on mouse car. Now, would the way I swap it? Show me how they do them.
Like Uti, black bro. Like Bob Akone, be me.
Who they forget to chase and demonstrate?
Demonstrate how you the fraud, you know?
Like, oh no, Papa no, I know who you are. It's like, we are not doing
Me tia say oh yeah we are not the way down.
No now.
Boy.
Who the only be?
Who the one you be?
Boy, no. Or no,
Boga can free.
bro, Uti. Or like original, we original, no.
That's more original. Man, that's all no. We had to say, oh, yes, I know you with him.
Into a more way original, no. And now, more understand. I want to understand. I want to understand how you play your game.
Who check ya, no, like, but she's an
Who check ya now, as somehow.
like, no more than
And you need that no, not more understand.
me.
Me tia only that more understand. More bien phone now, crano. Now, also, what they are 2 ton, what the 2 ton, say, who ton phone, me boy. And the panel for what's what he.
They like, you know, me, I'm
Oh, one a post here, no number on the wall. One a post here. Huh?
bro, Uti.
One a post phone, no, maybe so.
No, only have, no, if anything.
Only her. Until a post here. Now, what take you over? Until Muya Hena Muya Jumano.
Hello, boss. So what's about? Who send you about now? What's I send it for man.
Eh? Until Muya Hena Muya Jumano, maybe so.
Yes, 3.
Muya 3. Munya Mutifaku. Muntifaku. But more circle, Honman, I said, then I'm here.
Oh, like any circle.
Money circle. Into more fear. And a modern phone now to Tonaton say more ton. Into innocent person, but no, okay, I say when you're be or baby business genuinely, no, Namo Jessicano, Namo de Mocano, Modi Johnny, sir. Eh? Maybe, sir, Sam.
To be your interview.
What's about? The patch me, but we go on to them, me buy me flow. Let me diablo.
In your friend, no, Wana.
Patch me,
Obra. On him, the eye.
like one of the Miss Majo Biscaba, who knew the code. By me, like Miss Man, Fanny Raman, come, then the Cassana, Diamond, let me diablo.
So I want to understand what you will make you want to just wake up and just want to play fraud game. Say would your Uberton phone fake a man for now you just want to outsmart them.
The phone they go take you, but I not go give you correct phone.
No, I want to understand what's your 3 and 2 no way. Let your more 2 no way.
Like me, baby, or to buy off.
The number way. Friend number.
Mudoso, so you actually won't quite actually.
Hey, friend number, na friend number. Make sure money na to.
Ebusia for abrante no nenum asem ena odi ato on he okonfo dane dan wo di wajuma no wani age na wo di pikofo na wo je kofo sika enkofo su complaining na wo ye unim se da ye wo de ene de wo na aba asem ena ya che wo se wani medimi wo se asema wo kakrapo no wo se na wo sisi so de bia da no say enete nti so be sakra fu adwe ho a wo mo ekira wo so mo ye bi no be sakra na masakra na ente eye adwenche bi a abetodwa efa eye abrante ya wako wia phone na say was selling fake phone edi ama eye enkofo we efi eye studio say see am young guy like that like I did there I go slap am wa you young girl see your boyfriend God expose him today or no so edene there about chiremu say ya brante a wesi so obeye adwumaden apes kasha ho no enkofo no aye wadwete obebo mapo no wadwo musike film so na de hwe wani mgwa say enko ho bia nka sotro de no so bema obi na oba wo so de ho ama brante say wo girl wo boyfriend ni ono no na hwe ni mgwa say ya wo twempina no hwe mu ye no to de futo aka ho kweku sapon edie to abode about say this guy is a phone repairer in La Paz. One so chiresi woni ma brand telephone na phone ho adwuma say repairs ene wo ye e wo La Paz ho no kweku sapon ya biem asa achirem say yemfa no enko eye police station e wo La Paz no omunim ne dedada e wo ho Emmanuel Michael Adan esu dia wo dia bo say haha I can't even laugh go to school but you didn't want to go because you wanted to scam people with bad grammar wa share life ono so ache na dwen J Darling eno so edia wode about say chai is he an Ashanti or what ne brofo a wo yi go ono na obi ebisa anu no say oye Asantini ana say ehi papa ena ofi a wo ka brofo esa we so dia medi twa to efi Leonard or say they did the same thing to me at Circle. There are many and he should help the people in the investigation to catch them down. Ono so hu ni say we dey la pass na esi onan so ono no dey na experience awenya no esi wo Circle nti enkofo wo mu di say adwuma no omo do so pa no no so gidi say wo mu ye syndicate a wo mu wo Accra ha wo mu di say adwuma nti ebe ya say ya chi ne nkwenti no ye bi say na no asem ye nye de betima ye bia ye betimi enya na no di nsem na etimi allocate omo makeka wo mu so adwuma boni we ya en wo mu so wo mu di amanfo ebusafo aha na me de comment no ebesi won so wo share video yi dey na wadwenche efa when your experience wo yes scammers we hu bi da obetimi e dia tudwa wo tuma GH ye comment section na de wo ka bia to no obetimi e dia to ebiem so no wo ho kwan se be share video we e dia ma dofo bi bia wo be no so ehu video no ebi Tuma GH our Instagram follow her at @TumaGH_. Me din ede Nana Ama Owusa aha enam de besi makramo.
The major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH. On say me kan ye nyane bone pa na kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin. Asondin ti na Adam wo hu nyame yenu nyam no. Wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade. Cat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ewura